What are your expectations for Tesla in Q4? Experts have differing views on this. Some think the company will have a fantastic quarter, while others contend that the obstacles and constraints it has experienced in previous quarters will still exist. Make sure you don't miss this information. Over the past month, Tesla's stock has dropped by about 19% due to a number of causes. Musk continues to weigh on the stock and anticipates a record-breaking Q4. Not to be overstated, but as Tesla CEO Elon Musk stated in the Q3 earnings call, the factories are operating at full capacity and producing every car we produce. The Tesla community, including Tesla executives themselves, has high expectations for Q4 2022 as our factories ramp up, and we anticipate a record-breaking Q4. So it's really knocking on wood. Musk said it appears like we'll have an amazing year-end, so Q4 is looking exceptionally good. Tesla intends to significantly increase global production of its best-selling Model Y and Model 3 electric cars in the upcoming quarter, and to continue growing at a faster rate in 2023 when new plants gear up in Austin and Berlin. If the production ramp-up proceeds as planned, the global auto market's projected growth will increase by a factor of 10 in 2023, taking into account a 50% increase in production for the entire year. As our factories ramp, we're looking forward to a record-breaking Q4, so it really looks like we'll have an epic end of year, so Q4 is looking extremely good, according to Reuters' review of internal production plans. Musk clarified that Giga Berlin is ramping up production quickly and reached a new milestone this week when it produced 2,000 automobiles of excellent quality in a week. It is anticipated that Giga Texas will soon reach this milestone. According to Tesla's prediction, the company aims to create almost 495 000 Model Y and Model 3 units in the fourth quarter of this year. These two models make up approximately 95% of the company's total output. By the end of 2022, Musk predicted to analysts in Q2 that the business had a reasonable chance of reaching a global production run rate of 40,000 vehicles per week. The prediction also indicates a significant increase in production at Tesla's more recent plants in Berlin and Austin, Texas. By the end of the year, Tesla will be operating 3 shifts at its factory in Brandenburg, which is close to Berlin. According to George Steinbach, the regional business minister of Brandenburg, large increases in output for Tesla from factories in Austin and Berlin would not be surprising, according to Sam Fiorani, Vice President of Global Forecasting at Auto Forecast Solutions AFS, which oversees production, as those plants have been operating below capacity. A large portion of this volume is coming from Berlin and Austin, which are poised to blossom next year, the speaker stated. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, stated during the company's Q3 earnings call that Giga Berlin had hit a new milestone in its production ramp, producing 2,000 high-quality cars per week at a quick rate. It is anticipated that Giga Texas will soon reach this milestone. The Tesla CEO, Elon Musk, also stated that Tesla has the second generation of manufacturing equipment for 4,680 cells in Texas, which continues to show great progress along with the original pilot line in Fremont. Particularly the Fremont factory reached record production in Q3 once again. Additionally, Tesla's production of 4,680 cells has tripled in Q3 compared to the previous quarter. We are finally gaining rapid traction with the 4,680 cell and its output. It is growing rapidly, and we expect it to start incorporating in cars and have it be a significant portion of our production here in Texas in the upcoming months. Musk, discussing the autopilot feature of Tesla Musk, remembered that at the end of September, the business had its second AI day, during which the Tesla team unveiled the first iteration of the humanoid robot Optimus. The company also published upgrades for its computer that had been taught, along with a plethora of enhancements to its fully autonomous software. Musk is extremely proud of the Tesla FSD project. Since that AI day, we posted job openings and have received a ton of resumes from top-tier artificial intelligence engineers and scientists. Our cars have now traveled nearly 60 miles in fully autonomous beta mode, and this figure is only going to rise. Stated, Musk appears to have been successful because it attracted a great deal of interest from some of the world's top AI researchers. I can't stress this point enough because I believe that Tesla is now recognized as one of the greatest AI technologies available. Exchange, Musk expressed his optimism about a fantastic Q4 on multiple occasions during the call. He noted that while the Fed is raising interest rates more than they should, he believes that they will eventually realize this and lower them again, which will cause demand to be slightly higher than it would otherwise be. As I previously stated, however, we are very confident of a fantastic Q4, and we plan to continue growing our vehicle production sale deliveries by an average of 50 per year as far into the future as we can see in early October. Clean, looking ahead to Q4, Tesla is expected to generate positive outcomes. Clean, according to a Technica article, Technica is a US-based website that gathers news about renewable energy, clean technology, and electric cars with an emphasis on Tesla. According to the report, there are a number of encouraging signs that Tesla will continue to expand through 2023. Experts also predict a strong Q4, therefore they think this is a fantastic moment to add to your stock holdings after the recent 3 months decline. A lot of investors may be considering whether now is a good time to purchase an electric car in light of the fact that Tesla shares have lost about 1/3 of their value and have down more than 40% year to date. Baker's stock, after all, is rising quickly despite declining shares. In fact, the third quarter of the company's cash position improved to $21.1 billion as a result of the year-over-year rise in revenue of 56% and a 148% growth in free cash flow during the same time, totaling around $3.3 billion. Q3 had exceptional results, including record operating profit, revenue, and free cash flow. Naturally, Tesla's booming car sales contributed to the great quarter. The company's overall third quarter deliveries rose 42% year over year to 343,830. Tesla's impressive financial results in a difficult climate demonstrate the company's momentum and the potent secular demand. Positive angles for all electric cars. All of this is to argue that the stock's loss indicates a favorable moment to consider buying it when it fell below 50 this year. Analysts are increasingly saying that Tesla is a decent investment after losing roughly $300 billion in market value in just 2 months. According to Tesla experts, the share price decrease has reached a sufficient level. Prior to this, Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas stated that Tesla is getting closer to his bear case price estimate of $150, offering investors a chance to purchase at a discount. Price City analysts upgraded the shares from sell to neutral, noting that despite difficulties such as slowing demand and price growth, a more than 50% decline this year has balanced out the near-term risk-return. Cuts in China. According to Morgan Stanley, Tesla is the only electric vehicle that makes money when cars are sold. The analyst, who also emphasized Tesla's potential to gain from consumer tax credits in the U.S., restated his $330 price estimate, according to a note written by Jonas. Stop the stock decline by focusing on the diversion that Twitter is causing. Even with all of the difficulties Tesla has had this year, Jonas wrote, there needs to be some kind of sentiment circuit breaker around the Twitter situation to calm investors' concerns about Tesla. Wall Street has largely remained bullish. Most Tesla analysts that Bloomberg tracks recommend buying the stock or something similar, and the shares would need to rally by a whopping 57% to reach the average analyst goal cost as a whole. If Tesla's objectives are met, as most business executives anticipate, Q4 2022 should be highly successful. Production of Tesla vehicles would put the electric vehicle manufacturer on pace to reach CEO Elon Musk's targets of 1.5 million units by 2022, with a production increase of over 50% for the year as our factories ramp. We're looking forward to a record-breaking Q4, so really, knock on wood, it looks like we'll have an epic end of year, so Q4 is looking extremely good, says Musk. Internal plans indicate that Tesla would blow past projected growth in the global market for autos by close to a factor of 10. Join this channel to receive regular information on Tesla stock prices.